Never gonna stand a chance. Heartbreak like a sad romance. Said that you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no I'm not your man. I can blow your mind like whoa.
Hi and welcome to yet another video. Thank you so much for joining me. Today we will be making some clay earrings. In case you want to join me and recreate some of these, make sure to send them to my new Instagram account. I will be making the clay earrings with polymer clay, which means I'm gonna have to bake it. And if you buy polymer clay too, make sure to follow the instructions that come with the clay because they change like because of the brand. Make sure to stick to the end to see the full montage of me showing you the earrings, but until then let's just start the video. Sylvia, I'm trying to film. I was thinking maybe we should give these earrings some names. So first up is gonna be the shrimp chip. Now I'm gonna try to do my first pair of clay earrings. I don't remember the last time I touched clay. If this fails, you're gonna be the first to find out. And let's just go over what I'm gonna use. I have this, is it called parchment paper, baking paper? I'm not sure. It's because I have the kind of clay that you bake, so I don't want to have to move the clay after I make it. I'm just gonna put it on the pan. I have some tape to tape down the parchment paper. I have my earring making set kit, whatever you want to call it. I have some tweezers. They're called tweezers, right? They're called pliers. And I have a knife because I'm gonna need to do some lines, and this is quite thin. And I also got a little brush. I'm not sure if I'm gonna use it. I don't know if I need it, but we're gonna see. So I tried to make it more soft, but it didn't really work. So now I'm just gonna try to make it thin and put it like next to each other, kind of measure how big I want them to be, and then like cut the axis parts that I don't really want. So I want it to be kind of like this tall, as much as like where the knuckles are on my fingers. And I'm gonna try and cut it and make it like an oval shape. when I tried these earrings on, they were quite heavy, so I tried to use some rotary, I think it's rotary tools, to kind of shave it down, but I was a bit scared and I didn't want to damage them, so I didn't shave off that much. They are a bit thinner, but they're still kind of heavy, so I would really advise using a freaking roller and making sure that they're thin. Second up, we're gonna make the Flower Power and Happy Tear earrings. Hi guys, so it's another day. I'm gonna try to make the rest of the earrings today. Today I'm gonna do some flowery daisy kind of earrings that I saw on Pinterest. I'm gonna insert a picture here. My sister has this perfume bottle, like this, the daisy one, so I guess these are daisies. And I'm gonna try to do kind of this size because I want it to be like, I don't want it to be too big. I realized that for the last video, for the white earrings, I didn't use a freaking, what is it called? Well, this, that you, a roller. And I don't know why that it didn't, like, I don't know why it didn't click. And today it's gonna be different because we're also gonna paint the earrings when they're done. So let's start. The things I'm gonna use are the same. Except I'm gonna also use this one because I'm gonna try to be smart this time. Maybe it doesn't work out though, because your girl isn't always smart. I'm gonna start by trying to make the clay a bit more soft. Last time I wasn't really patient. I don't know if I should have maybe tried a bit more, but let's see if I do it a bit more this time. It kind of works. So now I'm gonna try and roll it a bit. I don't know. Oh, it kind of works. Also, now today I'm using a cutting board that I have. Why does it do this though? Like, why? I don't get it. Once I was at school and I got called to the principal's office, and I hadn't done anything bad, so I didn't know why they called me there. And I got to the front desk and they were like, "Oh, it's your mom. She's like calling you." And I'm like, "Why?" And she called me because she had forgotten the pin to her like phone, and I knew it and she didn't remember it, and she was like, "Can you tell me the pin?" So they called me to the principal's office because my mom didn't remember her pin code. place, let's make the green dragon earrings. Now for the final results.
Angel boy. Late nights, calls on the phone. I want late nights, keep it down on the low. Be fast, but I'm taking it slow. Yeah, I'm taking it slow. Yeah, I'm taking it slow. Stop, stare. Want your body. Hot, damn. Your perfect face, not to mention your perfect body elegance. The way you move while you're dancing. You say that I'm your favorite toy, but I'll never be your angel boy.
Thank you for sticking around. This video was my longest video yet. And make sure to like and comment something down below because I do reply to comments. Subscribe, and I'd love to have you around for another video in the future. Bye. Ah, fuck. Ah, pura ka na ito. Nagana dyan. Katalo.
Kan?
Oh, hinani. Kamera maavris na rin. Sige na siya.
Trabaho.
Trabaho sa business.